Gelatin, Banquet Foods, Sister Schubert's, Princella cut sweet potatoes, Tetley, Calumet baking powder, Brownberry, Kraft's Miracle Whip, Sun-Maid, Kool-Aid, Folgers, Velveeta, Quaker's baking products, Edwards, Clabber Girl baking powder, Calenders, Best Foods, Wesson Vegetable Oil, Lipton, Dole Food Company, Jell-o, Crisco Shortening, C&H Pure Cane Sugar, Smithfield Ham, Keeblers, Argo cornstarch, Domino Sugar, Bird's Eye, Arm and Hammer, Mrs. Smith Pies, Borden Milk Products, Kraft Philadelphia Cream Cheese, Karo Syrup, King's Hawaiian, Nestle's Carnation, Brucey's Yams, Kraft Jet Puffed Marshmallows, Martinelli and Company, Sparkling Apple Cider, Hidden Valley Salad Dressing, Pepperidge Farms, Sara Lee, Idaho, Sunbeam bread and dinner rolls, Gold medal all-purpose flour, Borden's Eagle brand, Velveeta, Campbell's, Green Giant, Land O'Lakes, Frenchie's Jerky French fried onions. Libby's. Betty Crocker. Honey baked ham. Swanson broth for stuffing. Cool Whip. Stovetop stuffing. Ocean spray. Pillsbury. Butterball turkey.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.